away. You know I don't like watching anybody make the same mistakes I made. She's a real nice girl and she's always there for you, but a nice girl wouldn't tell you what you should do. Oh, listen boy, I'm sure that you think you got it all under control. You don't want somebody telling you the way to stay in someone's soul. You're a big boy now and you'll never let her go, but that's just the kind of thing she ought to know. Tell her about it, tell her everything you feel, give her every reason to accept that you're for real. Tell her about it, tell her all your crazy dreams, let her know you need her, let her know how much she means. Listen boy, it's not automatically a certain guarantee. To ensure yourself, you got to provide communication constantly. When you love someone, you're always insecure, and there's only one good way to reassure. Tell her about it, let her know how much you care. When she can't be with you, tell her you wish you were there. Tell her about it every day before you leave. Pay her some attention, give her something to believe. 'Cause now and then she'll get to worrying, just because you have been spoken for so long. And though you may not have done anything, will that be a consolation when she's gone? Listen boy, it's good information from a man who's made mistakes. Just a word or two that she gets from you could be the difference that it makes.